have DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and then to the wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers, like if you have any, you can select one of the pre-installed on-device wallpapers like this. Or you can just go to your photos and select any other image from the gallery that you can download from the internet, or just take any photo with your camera. So I'm just going to select an image. Here you can set up how you want it to look like, and tap set wallpaper, then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.